I'm on the Mitsubishi booth at the Motor Show, and let's face it, it's not a booth I very often visit. But this year they have got big news because they've brought their Rallyart branding back, and it's back with a bang. Rallyart, of course, is famous because the Rallyart Europe team, in 25 years really, from the mid-80s to about the late 00s, they had fantastic success in rallying. They won 4 World Rally Championship drivers titles with Tommy Mäkinen driving. They won the manufacturer's title in 1998, and they won a stack of Dakars as well, more than anyone else has ever done. Rallyart is a huge brand, and the 90s Group A rallying, Rallyart with the Mitsubishis, ProDrive with the Subarus, it was just, that was the battle. After Group B in the 80s, I would say that's the second greatest era for rallying. Anyway, someone woke up, someone's decided to bring the trim level back, or rather I should say bring Rallyart back as a trim level, as a sporty level at the top of the range. In Thailand, Mitsubishi have gone crazy on it. They've got Rallyart trim levels for the Pajero Sport, for the Triton and for the Mirage, and they look cool. But what I wanted to look at today is this one, because the Triton Ralliart with the Rallyart trims and things on it, but it's got extra accessories. This is the 2.5 diesel 4-door, but you can see the wheels, you can see the door mirrors, the seats inside. It's all been really sportingly done up. So I'm just going to look at a few of those details, get a feel for this, because I think this is a pretty interesting truck, pretty exciting way to have Rallyart back. The truck is actually locked up. Basically inside has got upgrades as well. We've got Recaro seats, which look really nice, real bucket rally style seats. We've got a Momo steering wheel, and we've got a Boss that hinges up, like is the style now, hinges up so you can lift your wheel, get in and out much easier. So you sit in this cockpit, it's got quite a racing feel to it as well. So all these accessories really add up on top of the Triton to give it a real racing feel. If we look from the side, as well as the stock Rallyart body kit that comes with the model, we've got some really new features, and we've got these aero door mirrors. They're really tight in, flush racing style, cut down on drag. And we've also got this roof end spoiler here, which is ribbed. These have actually both been done by Garage Unique. Now, if you watch my videos, you know I'm a big fan of Garage Unique. They're one of the real leading shops at customizing cars in Thailand. They were born out of the VIP style, so immediately if you're in VIP, you're pretty crazy. Now they've really gone into the wide body style and the racing and style, so any car show, any meet you go to, the craziest cars will come from Garage Unique. And if you want to stand out in Thailand, it's not easy with a modified car. Go to Garage Unique, they'll build you something that'll stand out. So they've done these mirrors, and they've done this roof spoiler, and to be honest, this roof spoiler, the shape and the ribs on it, it's really their DNA. They're guys who think outside the box when it comes to styling and when it comes to aero appendages and wide bodies. So it's nice to see their equipment on this truck. What I like also are these Rotiform wheels, because they're really strong, they're really aggressive, they look hard and purposeful, real rally off-road style. Rotiform is obviously as cool a wheel brand as you can get these days. These wheels, they say Rotiform, they say off-road, they say tough, they say kind of crude and do the job and strength. So I think they're a great addition to this car. Choice. On the back of this upgraded Triton, while we've lost the bumper like the spec versions, and Thai people love to drop the bumper off the rear of pickups when they modify them and upgrade them, and also it's got this body kit as well which wraps to each side. But what they've done for this version is, whereas the exhaust on the standard Rallyart Triton stops further back, this one has been extended, and it's got a big HKS exhaust tip on it with a carbon fiber bezel around it. It's a pretty huge tip there as well. It must be about 4 or 5 inches across. That looks really sporty, it looks really menacing. That's a big lift over the standard Rallyart Triton, where the exhaust just kind of fades out underneath the car. So that's given the back end something a little bit extra as well.